Most people think Spam is just canned meat. But what if I told you raw pork can carry parasites, worms, and even viruses that could make you seriously sick? Yet somehow, every can you see in the market is completely safe, and Americans happily eat it every day. In this video, we'll take you inside the Spam factory, step by step, to show how engineers remove every hidden danger, transform raw pork into perfectly safe meat, and create the iconic cans you've eaten your whole life. By the end, you'll understand exactly how something potentially dangerous becomes one of the most famous canned foods in the world, and why you've never thought about it this way before. Every Spam can begins with carefully sourced pork shoulder and ham from USDA-approved farms and suppliers. Hormel only selects meat that meets strict fat-to-lean ratio standards, ensuring texture and flavor consistency. Meat is inspected at the supplier before shipment. No off-color, bruised, or spoiled cuts are allowed. Transport trucks are refrigerated at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, preventing bacterial growth during transit. At arrival, each batch is weighed, logged, and assigned a traceable batch code for complete supply chain visibility. Factory auditors perform a visual and temperature check, ensuring trucks maintain cold chain integrity. Pork shoulder provides a balance of protein and natural fat, while ham contributes a firm texture and savory notes. Each cut undergoes microbial spot checks. Random samples are tested for pathogens like Salmonella. Raw pork is segregated by type. Shoulder and ham are stored in separate cold rooms to maintain batch control. Only after passing inspection is the meat cleared to move to the trimming and preparation line, the true start of Spam's industrial journey.
Every decision at this stage could make or break the safety of millions of cans, and no one outside the factory sees this level of precision.
Chilled pork moves to the trimming line, where skilled workers visually inspect for discoloration, excess fat, and sinew.
Even a tiny imperfection at this stage could ruin the safety of thousands of cans.
Mechanized cutters remove bone fragments, connective tissue, and any inconsistent fat. Metal detectors scan every trimmed piece for microscopic metal shards from knives or machinery. Each batch is randomly sampled for pathogens like Salmonella and Trichinella, the very parasites our hook teased. Trimming is done batch by batch, ensuring uniform texture and weight before grinding. Digital labeling links each batch to its source, enabling full traceability in case of any issue. Meat failing inspection is immediately rejected, never entering the production line. Quality engineers document every step, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Once cleared, the trimmed pork and ham move to industrial grinders, setting up Spam's signature texture. Trims are loaded into high-speed industrial grinders to create a uniform meat texture.
This is where Spam starts to become recognizable, and but one misstep here could hide pockets of bacteria.
Meat passes through multiple cutting plates, achieving the exact particle size required. Grinding machines include built-in metal detectors to catch any foreign material. The ground meat is weighed precisely for consistent batch size and can-filling accuracy. Any deviation in weight could affect cooking times later, risking under-processed cans. Quality inspectors pull random samples for texture and moisture testing. Ground pork and ham are blended in controlled, chilled environments to maintain safety. Digital records track every pound, ensuring no untested meat reaches the next stage. Once uniform and safe, meat is transferred to vacuum mixers for ingredient integration. Ground pork enters massive vacuum mixers chilled below freezing. Salt, sugar, potato starch, and sodium nitrite are added to preserve, flavor, and color the Spam.
Sodium nitrite is the secret ingredient that prevents deadly bacterial growth, including botulism.
Vacuum environment removes oxygen, preventing oxidation and spoilage. Mixture is evenly blended for several minutes, ensuring uniform taste and texture. Engineers continuously monitor temperature, mixing speed, and batch weight. The vacuum also reduces air pockets, preventing can expansion or rupture during cooking. Samples are extracted from microbial testing to ensure no pathogens survive. Each batch receives a traceable digital ID linked to the original pork source. Once fully integrated, the mixture is ready for automated can filling and sealing. Sanitized aluminum cans are fed onto a high-speed conveyor for filling.
A single missed seam could allow bacteria in, ruining thousands of cans.
Precision dispensers deposit exact portions of meat mixture into each can. Lids are applied by automated seamers under strict torque and alignment standards. Sealing creates a vacuum inside the can, critical for shelf stability. Each can is stamped with a batch code for traceability. Sealed cans are inspected via automated X-rays for foreign objects or misaligned lids. Random quality inspectors manually check fill level, seal integrity, and lid adhesion. Any can failing inspection is diverted and destroyed to prevent contamination. Perfectly filled cans move to retort cooking, the step that makes Spam shelf-stable. Sealed cans enter hydrostatic cookers or retorts for high-pressure cooking. Temperature reaches approximately 121 degrees Celsius, killing bacteria, parasites, and spores like Trichinella.
This is where raw pork transforms from potentially dangerous to perfectly safe.
Cans are submerged in pressurized hot water for hours to ensure complete sterilization. The heat treatment also gives Spam its signature firm texture. Multiple retort chambers allow continuous cooking while maintaining precise pressure and temperature. Engineers monitor pressure, temperature, and cooking time for every batch. Sensors ensure no can is undercooked. Even slight deviations trigger alarms. After cooking, cans cool rapidly in controlled water baths to stop further cooking. Each batch is labeled and moved to post-cooking quality inspections. Cans exit the retort and enter rapid cooling tunnels to prevent overcooking.
Cooling might seem simple, but it locks in safety, texture, and shelf life.
Vacuum levels are checked. A proper vacuum makes the can slightly concave. Random cans undergo microbiological testing to confirm sterility. Each batch is taste tested by quality inspectors to ensure flavor consistency. Engineers check can shape and metal integrity, preventing leaks or dents. Failed cans are rejected and destroyed, never reaching shelves. Cooling also stabilizes the meat matrix, ensuring Spam slices cleanly later. Data from every batch is logged in digital production systems for traceability. Once approved, cans move to labeling and packaging. Cans pass through labeling machines, applying the iconic Spam design and ingredients.
Every label contains hidden information, batch code, expiration, and traceability.
Labels are heat resistant to survive retort temperatures. Labeled cans are grouped into cases of 24 or 12 for logistics. Shrink wrap machines secure cases for safe transportation. Packaging lines automatically scan barcode and batch ID to verify counts. Random cases are manually checked for label alignment and adhesion. Each case is logged for shipment tracking, warehouse management, and compliance. Engineers ensure packaging is stackable and durable for global distribution. Finished Spam cases are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before shipping.
Even after cooking, safety checks continue. Every batch is monitored before it leaves the factory.
Sampling teams conduct final microbial testing, confirming sterility. Physical inspections ensure cans are undamaged, labels intact, and boxes sealed. Random taste tests verify consistent flavor and texture. Batches are stored temporarily to catch late detected issues. Any batch failing final tests is discarded to maintain safety and brand reputation. Data from storage is continuously logged in digital quality systems. Certified safe batches are approved for distribution. Spam is now ready to enter the market for American consumers. Palletized Spam cases are loaded onto climate-controlled trucks for regional warehouses.
Every mile traveled is monitored. Temperature fluctuations could affect safety.
Warehouse logistics track batch ID, expiration, and destination. Cases are stacked for efficient shipping and retrieval. Retailers receive pallets and stock shelves with Spam in refrigerated or ambient storage. Supply chain teams ensure first in, first out rotation for freshness. Consumers pick cans from shelves, unaware of the engineering and safety checks behind each bite. The shelf-stable design ensures Spam can sit years without spoiling, thanks to retort sterilization. All data from factory to store is stored for traceability and recall safety. And finally, Spam reaches the hands of millions, ready to eat safely and deliciously. So how something as risky as raw pork is made completely safe in Spam? It's a combination of careful sourcing, meticulous trimming, grinding, vacuum mixing, precise can filling, and high-pressure sterilization. Every potential danger, parasites, worms, viruses, is systematically removed by engineers and microbiologists. From raw meat that could make you sick to the perfectly safe, delicious Spam can on the shelf, every step is controlled, measured, and monitored. That's the hidden engineering that Americans unknowingly rely on every day. Now you've seen the incredible engineering behind every Spam can. From raw pork with hidden dangers to perfectly safe, delicious meat, nothing is left to chance. The next time you open a can of Spam, remember the thousands of steps that went into making it safe.
If you loved uncovering the hidden industrial secrets behind everyday foods, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon.
We take you inside factories, behind the scenes, showing what most people will never see. From chocolate to soda, from fried chicken to canned meat, it's all engineering you didn't know existed.
Comment below which product you want us to explore next. We'll go inside and reveal its secrets. Don't forget to share this video with friends. Let them see the hidden world behind Spam. Thanks for watching, and remember, seeing how things are made changes how you see the world.